In this video, I'll show you how to create a Prizepicks account. So of course, step 1 is going to be to go to prizepicks.com, and then on the top here, you'll click on sign up. Now on this first screen, you'll enter your email. Don't worry about the promo code unless there's one already there. And then you can hit continue. Next up, you need to enter your first name and your last name. Make sure that it matches your driver's license or your ID. Next, we need to enter our date of birth and then hit continue. Then we need to enter our address, create a password, and then click on the agreement here after you've read everything, and then hit create account. Now for security purposes, you'll have to put in the last 4 digits of your social security number, and then your Prizepicks account will be created. Now, I am not in a supported country, but they do add in new countries all the time, and you can Google all the supported countries for Prizepicks. As a matter of fact, I'll put it up on the screen here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.